everyone. My name is Mrs. Bosu, and if you're watching this, you most likely found this video by going to the AP Human Geography Schoology page, which means that you're taking AP Human Geography through the hybrid model with me. And so I'm just going to go over a couple of things about joining class this week and how you would join the class and how a couple of things that we're gonna do. So we obviously begin class on Thursday and Friday of this week, but that's gonna be all virtual learning. So when you end up going to Schoology, this is what it should look like right now. There'll be things added and there'll be things eventually in the upcoming, but you will see at the beginning of the Schoology page, the kind of weekly overview and the weekly schedule. And so this will change every week. So you'll see the week and kind of a week at a glance and see what you can expect that week. And so you can see Monday through Wednesday, we don't have school this week, but starting on Thursday, you can kind of see just a general overview of what we'll do in class that day. Some of these things are links. You do not need to click on them beforehand because there are things that we're going to be doing in class on that particular day. Now, a couple of things just with these first 2 days is you will obviously have to join from home. And so I'm going to talk a little bit about what that schedule is going to look like, but then also how you are going to join from home. So the first thing that you need to know is when to meet and when to log in. We are going to be using the Wednesday schedule for this Thursday and Friday. Now it's a little bit confusing because it's not Wednesday, but because it's an at-home learning day and eventually Wednesday will be our at-home learning day, we're going to just use that schedule. So you are going to see all of your teachers on Thursday and Friday of this week, which is September 10th and September 11th. So what I have done, this is kind of my schedule and what classes I have and what I have each hour. It wouldn't be a bad idea to take this or to take a framework like this and kind of put your own schedule into it, because when you look at your schedule on Student View, it is a little bit confusing. But this is the schedule that we're going to be using on Thursday and Friday. And so you will either join me at 9:10 during third hour AP Human Geography, if you're in my third hour class, or you'll join me at 10:55 if you are in my 6-hour AP Human Geography class. And so you will go on to Google Meet to join in. So how do you get to Google Meet? There's a couple quick ways to do it. First of all, if you are in Rapid Identity, so Rapid Identity is where you will log into pretty much everything that you will use. You can start by just finding this Google Meet tile. And if you click on this Google Meet tile, you will then click Join or Start a Meeting or Join a Meeting. I'm not quite sure that you have the capability of starting a meeting, but either way, you're going to join a meeting and you're going to enter the join code. And the join code can be found on this slide, and it is right here, and it's going to stay the same for the entire semester. So you're going to type in BOSU AP3 or BOSU AP6 depending on what class you have me in, if it's third hour or 6th hour. If you go to the next slide here, you'll also see that will be listed on every screen on This Week at a Glance, so that you don't need to remember it, but you can type that in because it will be a different code for every class you go to when you are joining virtually. Couple of quick things about these Google Meets codes. I have been told that spacing doesn't matter, and it is not case sensitive, meaning that you can capitalize my name, you can put AP in lowercase, it won't matter. You should be able to join. Obviously, if you're having some difficulty on Thursday and Friday, please email me and reach out to me and try to contact me. And my email address is mjbousu@isd191.org. And I just realized I should probably just put that somewhere. I'll put that somewhere here on the Google Meet instructions. Another way, if you're not going to go in through Rapid Identity, you can just type in meet.google.com and it should bring you to a similar page where you're just going to click on that join meeting and you're going to type in the code. All right, other than that, starting next week, we will be on the hybrid block schedule. And so for my third hour AP students, I will see you guys, if you're in cohort A, I'll see you in person on Monday. And I will see you at the end of the day. Third hour ends up being at the end of the day on Mondays and Thursdays. And then if I have you in cohort B, I will see you, or sorry, if I have you in 6 hour and you're in cohort A, I will see you in person on Tuesday. If you're, and that'll be first hour actually, it'll be the first block of time, even though that technically is 6 hour. So if you are in cohort B, then I will not see you in person until Thursday and Friday of next week. However, you will be joining at least part of the class virtually on Monday and Tuesday. And we'll talk more about that the first couple of days of class. So other than that, I just want to make sure you guys knew how to join in on the class. Take a look at the Schoology page if you want to take a look at the syllabus a little bit or anything else you find here. Please just don't complete anything prematurely because a lot of things you're going to get more instructions for in class. All right, have a good Wednesday.